In this video, I'm going to show you the method I use for adding realistic sound effects to my non-DCC trains. This method works for any scale. I've heard trains with the DCC sound effects, and they are really pretty good representations of the real thing, except for one major point. The speakers made for the tiny engines are so small, they can't produce the full range of sound that real locomotives do. Sure, they can play loud, and some even too loud, but no HO sound system I have seen is capable of delivering a visceral sense of presence like real trains. So I decided to take a rather unconventional route of using pre-recorded steam sounds on a high-level playback system. In layman's terms, a giant stereo. Let's take a look. This will give you a peek at my other hobby. These speakers are from 1975. They stand over 4 feet tall and weigh 150 pounds each. First, I will turn on the audio equipment rack, starting with the preamplifier. Then I will turn on the power amplifiers. Now we need to find the record of train sounds. Let's dig through a few. Let's see what we have here. Christmas. Another Christmas. Christmas shell. George Wright on the Wurlitzer. This one's in stereo. Fiddler on the Roof. Kate Smith. Let's see. 1812 Overture. No, Raps. No. Nope. Lorne Green. There's a train on that. That's not what I want. How about this? This would work pretty good. Now that I have made my selection, I will carefully place the record onto the turntable and gently set the needle onto the record and press play. Now I can operate my steam engine with much better realism. There is even authentic crew talk, much more realistic than the crew talk that Lionel uses in their trains.
Hope so.
I hope you enjoyed this slightly different video. If you did, please like the video and help out my channel by subscribing. I'm almost to 400 subscribers, and once I hit that, I'm kicking off a whole series of videos of American Flyer repairs. You will also see less HO videos going forward as I shift my channel a little bit more toward American Flyer and less toward HO. Another way you can support my channel is by sending me trains. If you have a box of old HO or American Flyer trains you don't know what to do with, send me an email, and I may be able to give them a good home where they will be cared for and maybe even featured on an episode. As always, thanks for watching Tim's Antique Trains.